Engineer Aldin Layagin from SMBCRCA. Actually, while going for this meeting, I tried to populate sa mga friends ko po. Kasi hindi naman lahat makakadalo. So, I have a household friend na yung first na question ko po. Ang question niya is, kasi ako alam ko na kung paano yung in-service benefit ko po. Kasi dinidiscuss naman yan. But for household worker, hindi po nila alam. So, that is the first question po. So, kung paano daw po yung computation kung nandiyan ba sa bilateral agreement between Saudi Arabia. The second question that I have po is about yung space. Kasi yung wife ko is a teacher, but I persuaded her to come with me because at the time wala pa kami anak. And then she stayed here for a long time. I don't know kung kasama po ba siya sa program ng space kasi pinastop ko siya ng work. But now, lumaki na yung anak namin and then they go back sa Philippines with around 2 years back. So that is the second question po. For the third question, I forward PH, actually I'm a worker of DUST, NCR. And with that being said, I tried to join this program. Ang mahirap lang po dito is yung time, kasi Philippine time, but I really tried to attend. Libre po ito yung may mga negosyo, yung mga speaker talagang the best. I think around 12 session po yan. Keep on attending. Ang medyo mahirap lang dyan, yung pag-process ng document, how to fulfill, kasi kailangan mo ng yung mga natin, yung kung gagawa kang negosyo, so kailangan mo po ng yung business plan. Business plan is okay naman po, pero yung kailangan po kasi natin ng DTI, yung lahat po yung mga sa BIR. So doon talaga po kakain ng oras as me. And so sabi nga kanina, dapat talagang shared goal yan sa family. So yan po, ang ginawa ko na lang po kasi hindi siya naging successful sa akin. I tried to tell him sa friend ko, which is he's going for good. So yung kanyang business is about nag-YouTube vlogger siya. It was also accepted. Bumili siya ng mga computer devices. And also yung gaya namin, yung specialized namin, kasama rin po yung consultancy. So yun po yung ang dagdag lang pala dyan. So I have two questions, sa space and then sa end service benefit. That's all. Thank you.
Good evening po, engineer, and to everybody. Yung sa end of service benefit po ng sa domestic workers, nakalagay po sa batas nila na domestic worker is entitled to 1 month, equivalent to 1 month salary for every 4 year of service. Ngayon po, doon po tayo nagkakatalo kasi continuing, pag may mga, tama ba yun, di ba? 4 years? 4 years, ano? I know, 4 years, tama, yes. 4 years. Ngayon, kung saan po tayo nagkakatalo, may mga pumunta na po sa atin na nagpapatulong para nga makuha po yung ASP. So, we bring them to the court sa MHRST for settlement. Supposedly, kasi sa atin, ang kontrata po natin ay 2 years. So at the end of the 2 years, either the worker will go home for vacation and then come back kasi nag-renew mo siya ng contract. So another 2 years po yun. Ang iba pong mga labor arbiters sa mga courts, interpret yung 4 years na continuous service with one employer as hindi nag-break yung 2 years. Which means, tuloy-tuloy po sila. So, yun din po sir ang ating difficulty that we have already raised to our joint technical working group team to discuss po para ma-clear po sa atin dahil syempre, pag sa atin, at the end of 2-year period, supposedly meron. You're entitled to a vacation, which is parang part of also your service, yung service mo sa employer. But, sa labor court, yun ho ang kanilang usually interpretation. So, ang ginagawa po ng ating mga ibang case officer, rather than bringing it to the court or sa MHR, is they try to settle it with the employer. So, kung maayos po yung employer, nakakausap naman po. Pero kung matigas po yung employer, dinadala po natin sa MHRSP for settlement. Yun nga lang po, sa kanila din kasi walang parang yung tinatawag natin na implementing rules and guidelines. So, kung ano po yung interpretation ng labor arbiter po doon, ay yun po ang usually ay continuing 4 years. So, no break. Opo. So, punta lamang po dito yung domestic worker para ipa-assist po natin sa ating mga case officers. Maraming salamat po.
To answer yung SPIMS question, ang requirement dyan is basta let passer. Ngayon, kung ikaw ay, kunyari ang trabaho mo sa ibang bansa is as teacher, pwede ka na mag-apply directly. Pero kunyari, more than 5 years nang hindi nagtuturo, meron po kaming partnership with Philippine Normal University for an online refresher course. So, kailangan mag-take po ng online refresher course kung more than 5 years na hindi nagtuturo just to update din yung skills and everything. And then pwede na po mag-proceed sa pag-apply po sa SPIMS. Kung nakuha niyo yung kanina, yung online application link para po dun sa SPIMS. Opo. So, yun, pwede pa po. Free yung free online refresher course po ito. Partnership natin po with Philippine Normal University.
Yung pala ako?
Oo.